This gymnastic room? Oh, ew! This poor. Let's go, girl.
Hala, partiyak din mo. Bayan na, uy, English pa. Uy, angay.
Okay, class. This a new gymnastic. Mo ang bagong estudyante sa gymnastic. Karang si Meros and Diana and Tom Jordan do the split, and next ni mo ay si Diana and Meros. Okay? Basic. Ha! Diana. Basic split. Patay ka sa classmate si Sophia, okay? Okay, girls, split. Sophia! Go! Split! Split! Yeah! Upper! Bang! Hindi mo na sila.
Are you okay, girl?
No! You're next na! Come on! Yeah, sunod na challenge kay sparring. Ikaw, Tam, o Diana, sparring mo din. Sophia and Mary Ross, let's go sparring.
Hey! Day! Hey! Dito ko!
Ulahin na si Sophia, so na may bagong nabot na late din siya. Si Ivan o si Mary Rose sparring. Let's go.
Yeah!
Hoy! Alaw, bagayo. Yeah. Vlog na to guys ha. Sumbaga na guys. Muna to guys. Bye-bye.
Picture me, guys! Picture!